Hey guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out this little makeup challenge that I've only seen a few people do. I've only seen like a few videos on it. I thought it'd be pretty fun to try it out. I'm kind of nervous, kind of scared, kind of excited. I have no idea what's going to happen in this challenge. It's going to be quite interesting. But today's makeup challenge is doing my makeup out of order. Basically, I wrote out every single makeup step for a full face of glam on a piece of paper, folded it up and put it in this hat. I'm gonna have my eyes closed, pick one out. Whichever makeup step I get, I'm going to do, no matter what order it is in. I really want to look good after this challenge, so hopefully I do a good job at picking them in order. Let's just get started. I am really nervous right now, but see what I get. First step in this makeup routine is setting spray. Are you serious? I'm starting off strong, guys. Starting off strong. Great, I can't set my face later. So next makeup step, hopefully it's something different. No. Second makeup step is eyeliner. Great. Oh my god. Alright guys, the eyeliner is on. Next step. Next up we have bronzer. This is just all over the place, but you know what? I signed up for this. Let's move on to the next step. Next up we have highlight. Moving on to the next step. Next step is concealer. You know, in real life I don't look that bad. I look kind of normal, but I feel like on camera I look questionable. That's the word. Questionable. Let's move on to the next makeup step. Okay, not bad. Next step is foundation. Foundation is on. Okay, next step. Eyebrows. Oh my gosh. Thank God. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 steps left, so the next step we have is setting powder. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of digging this look. It looks pretty decent. Hopefully it doesn't get messed up from here on out. Alright. Next step is lipstick. Alright. Alright, we have 4 left in here. Let's keep going. Next up is mascara. This whole makeup look, like just how it is right now, is like bringing back flashbacks of middle school. I'm not even kidding. Alright, 3 left. I already know this is gonna go downhill really quickly, so. Up next we have eyeshadow. Did I really just do that? Did I make my eyeshadow look amazing while not ruining my eyeliner or my mascara? I think I just did. I am crushing this challenge right now. 2 more things left. I already know which ones they are, but let's just do it. Next up is lashes. Okay, lashes are finally on. That took forever to do. Alright, last but not least, I already know what it is because I haven't done it yet. It is blush. Okay, that is it for this doing my makeup out of order challenge. I'm honestly so shocked that everything looks good. I am so proud for making myself look this good. Okay guys, that is it for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you guys want to see more of me, follow me on my social medias. My Instagram is always linked in the description box below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Missing someone.